Practice in different techniques of hairstyling. Hello everyone, I am Charumati and I will be guiding you throughout this exercise. In this series, we are going to practice in different hairstyling techniques. But before we start with the techniques, in this exercise, we are going to look at the selection of cosmetics and equipment. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to select cosmetics and equipment needed for hairstyling.
Tools or equipment or machine required are styling chair 1 number, tail comb or style comb 1 number, setting clips as required, dry sterilizer 1 number, crimper 1 number, cutting sheet 1 number. Materials required: electric roller 1 number, hair dryer or diffuser 1 number, curling rod 1 number, styling lotion or gel 1 number, hair spray 1 number, bob pins or jura pins 1 number, mousse 1 number. Hair styling basics involve various techniques and tools to achieve different hairstyles. Here are some key elements and steps to consider. Clean and prepare the hair. Start with clean, freshly washed hair and apply a lightweight conditioner or styling product, depending on hair type and desired style. Towel dry or blow dry. Gently towel dry hair to remove excess moisture. If you want to add volume or create specific styles, use a blow dryer and a round brush to dry hair in sections. Heat protectant. Before using any heat styling tools like curling iron or straighteners, apply a heat protectant spray or serum to shield hair from damage caused by heat. Sectioning. Divide hair into manageable sections using clips or hair ties. This makes it easier to work with smaller portions at a time. Curling or straightening. Use a curling iron or straightener to create curls, waves, or straighten your hair. Wrap small sections around the curling iron barrel for curls, or use a flat iron to straighten sections of hair. Take your time and be careful not to apply too much heat, or leave the tool on hair for too long. Finishing touches. Once you are satisfied with your hairstyle, you can use additional products like shine serums, pomades, or hair oils to add shine, control frizz, or define certain sections of your hair. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to mastering different hairstyles. Additionally, it's important to consider hair type, texture, and the specific tools and products that work best. Task 1. Selection of cosmetics and equipment. Hairbrushes and combs. Invest in a variety of brushes and combs suitable for hair type. Examples include paddle brushes, round brushes, wide tooth combs, and teasing combs. These tools help detangle, smooth, and create volume in hair. Tail comb is used to divide the hair into sections. Hair clips and pins. Have a variety of hair clips, bobby pins, and hair elastics on hand to section and secure your hair while styling. These are essential for creating updos, braids, and other intricate hairstyles. Bob pins is used for pinning curls and rolls. Styling products. Consider using hair styling products that suit the hair type and desired style. Examples include heat protectant sprays, mousses, gels, serums, hairsprays, and texturizing sprays. These products provide hold, texture, and protection. Hairspray is used for hold the hairstyle in place and give the body to the hair. Mousse is used for lifting the fine hair. Serums is used to give the shine and softness to the hair. Hair treatments and conditioners. For nourishing the hair with deep conditioning treatments, hair masks, and leave-in conditioners. These products help maintain the health and vitality of hair, especially if it is styled frequently. Setting clips is used for control the hair section. Dry sterilizer is used for sterilize the hand tools. Crimpers is used to give temporary waves to the hair. Hair dryer. Look for a quality hair dryer with multiple heat and speed settings. Ionic or tourmaline hair dryers can help reduce frizz and enhance shine. A diffuser attachment is useful for curly hair, while a concentrator nozzle helps with precise drying. Diffuser is used to naturally dry the hair without any loss of curl. Hair rollers or hot rollers. Ideal for achieving voluminous curls or adding body to your hair. Rollers come in various sizes and materials. Velcro or foam rollers are gentler on the hair, while hot rollers provide long-lasting results. Hot rollers is used to give temporary curl to the hair. Curling iron or curling wand. These tools are used to create curls or waves in your hair. Curling irons have clamps, while curling wands are clipless. Select a barrel size based on the desired curl type, such as loose waves or tight curls. It is also used depending on different size of curls. Flat iron or hair straightener. For straightening hair or creating sleek styles, a flat iron is essential. Choose one with adjustable heat settings and ceramic or tourmaline plates for even heat distribution and less damage.
We have come to the end of this lesson. Thus, we have learned to select cosmetics and equipment needed for hairstyling. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you all. See you in the next video.